Howdy, it is Armando Espinosa with eXp Realty. We are at 5910 Balloon Flower Street, Katy, Texas, here at my last listing to be under contract, and we are closing this early this week, and I'm super excited. So this is a beautiful home in the Jasmine Heights community. So come with me and take a look. All right, and this is the amazing open concept, either an office or a dining room. Since nowadays we are working from home, I would put a little desk in here or maybe a long table to do whatever you want, but this is a beautiful open concept room. Now come with me to the kitchen area. And as you can see, appliances are stainless steel, gas stove range, and you have the island sink that you can lay out all of your dinners and everything that, you know, if the holidays are coming up or the game day snacks. And then here we have the open concept living room and common area. And as you can see, the floors are brand spanking new, 2020 build, 3-bedroom, 2-bath in the D.R. Horton community, Jasmine Heights. And I'm super excited to be selling this home at the beginning of this week, and we should be closing very soon. So come and take a look at the guest bedrooms. A lot of space here and closet space for days. And then the second bedroom, right here. Of course, we had the living room again. And then we are going into the primary bedroom. And as you can see, space is huge. You could probably put 2 king-size beds or 1 king-size with a little couch here. And then we have our primary bathroom. We have the combo stand-up shower and soaking tub. And our closet is really huge here. Lots of shelving space for your clothes and everything. So I'm super excited about this home. And one new neighbor is coming to a subdivision near you in Jasmine Heights. And it also backs up onto the school here. So you have no back neighbors. I'm so excited about this. And so much space for your pets to run around. Put a little swing set, but once again, the elementary school is right behind there, so you don't have to wait in no long car lines to pick up your students. So there it is, guys. And not only you're buying a beautiful 2020 D.R. Horton build, you're also buying the community. It's nestled in the midst of the Mary Jo Peckham Park, where you can go walk around the pond there and just hang out with your friends and family. There's also La Centera, which is an outdoor mini mall, and all the shops, all the local eateries, places to go get a coffee, to shop. And then you also have a lot of the parks up and down the community where you can just take a break out of life. So thank you all for taking a tour, 5910 Balloon Flower Street, and I'm super happy to have sold this one early this week. All right, guys, take care. Now this is the beautiful kitchen. Oh, never mind, kitchen. What is? Now this is the beautiful kitchen. Oh, never mind, kitchen. What is?